Hi there. Today we're here at TeenCoders office and we're having a PHCodeFest competition. And as you can see, what school are you representing?
Fort International School.
How prepared are you for the competition?
Very prepared.
My name is Baruch Amakri.
And you're ready to crush it, are you?
Yes.
You ready?
Yes.
From scale of 1 to 10.
10.
10. I love that. Give me a high five. We're hoping so well that some schools get to win the competition. What's your name?
Olebube.
What's your name?
Eliora.
What's your name?
Shana Pretu.
What school are you representing, please?
Flourish School.
Flourish.
Yes.
Okay, are you prepared for the competition today?
Yes.
You ready to crush it?
Yes.
Are you for real?
Yes.
Okay.
My name is Chikaima.
And you?
My name is Daniel Skamsi.
Please, what school are you represent?
Supreme Prize the Kings.
Okay, what are you doing for us today?
Sounding for scratch.
You're having a scratch competition. Or you're making a game for us. How prepared are you?
I'm well.
From scale of 1 to 10, what will you grade yourself?
9.
9 on. It's not really that good, but we can hope on that, right? We have a winning mark from that, right? Okay, good luck on your competition. Give me a high five. High five. Excuse me, what are you working on? Avoiding robot car. Obstacle avoiding robot car. Okay. Alright, as you can see, he said he's working on a robot car. We have about 25 schools that are for the competition. I've been walking around and I've been amazed by all the projects I've been doing, down from scratch, pivots, JavaScript, and robotics. Oh my God, definitely they deserve a prize. I'm here with one of the school coordinator. For what school, sir?
Supreme Christ the King.
Sir, please, what's your name?
My name is Ekere Philip.
Okay, what is your take on the competition that is going on so far?
Well, I'm taken aback when I see young minds being passed through this kind of process. I'm challenged. It's really a good time being here. Well, I trust my students. I know they will do a very good job.
Like, can you rate them on the scale of 1 to 10? What would you think they'll come out with?
8 over 10.
We'll keep our fingers crossed on that. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Like we said, today we are having a PHCodeFest, and I'm here with one of the school coordinator from what school, ma?
Irisfield School.
Please, ma, what's your name?
My name is Onis.
Okay, you have a kid representing the school, right?
Yes, please, I do.
On the scale of 1 to 10, what are we going to grade?
A 10.
Wow, I love the confidence. It's the confidence for me. I'm about to get feedback from parents on what they've seen so far.
I'm amazed by not just what my kids can do, but also what other kids are doing right now. There are lots of stuff I can see around. Like I was thinking my kids are only amazing children, but right now I think they are all amazing. Trust me. I'm glad I was here today to experience this awesome competition. Trust me.
Focuses on obstacle avoiding robot car. It uses a sensor to detect objects, incoming objects, by emitting sound waves and receiving the sound wave which the object reflects. So in building this robot car, we made use of a chassis, which is the body of the car. We made use of the tire for movement. We made use of the DC geared motor, which converts electrical energy to mechanical energy. We made use of the Arduino Uno, which is the microcontroller and brain of the car. We made use of the motor driver shield, which allows you to use the Arduino to control the speed and direction of the car. The battery to power the car, battery cage to the car.
Okay, that's all. So, show us. A round of applause, please. Oh my God, oh my God.
Thank you for the opportunity of having my son here. It's a wonderful experience for him, and we're all here to support him with his brother as well. So yeah, I came to encourage him and cheer him up. So far, so good. I wasn't sure what to expect actually, but coming here, I'm a little bit impressed with the turnout, parents, the students, the enthusiasm and all of that. So I didn't know something this serious is going on around town here. Yeah, so I'm kind of impressed, and I want to take it further, and hoping I will secure a good deal for my son afterwards.
As you can see, it's scanning for a safer path.
Oh, please, round of applause.
As the water droplet is falling down, the water current comes out, and these three chimneys are bringing out the smoke industry from their factories.
I would love to encourage parents to support their children in their coding adventure. I do that for my son. We use the same system. He has his own space where he used for his coding and all of that all the time. So he's always, once I'm done, I hand over to him. So that way he gets to practice some of the things he learns in school. So I encourage parents to do that as well for their children, and that will help them to develop interests in the coding thing.
My project is about pollution. First, we start with some cars moving, and then pollution from the factory chimney goes into the air and pollutes the air. And then from these other three factories, smoke from the factories go out of the chimney and through the air, and the water coming down is sewage water from the factories, which is contaminating the water.